In the meantime, Roger Stona's agent Paul Doyle has expressed surprise following World Athletics' decision to deny the athlete's application to switch allegiance to Turkey. In a response to a TVJ Sports request for comment, Doyle stated that Stona satisfied all established requirements and adhered fully to the world governing body's transfer regulations.
I know they gave reasoning for their decision, but if you look at the transfers of allegiances that have happened in the past and even over the past few months and 6 months, it seems nonsensical to me that these athletes could be rejected. You know, in particular, OJ that I represent, doesn't make sense to me how just because they all came at one time that they're not valid. You know, these athletes have changed their lives and devoted themselves to Turkey and to making a big change in their life, and now they're being restricted. It doesn't feel right. It feels like there's something else at play here.
Doyle raised concerns about consistency in the decision-making process and suggested that the outcome warrants further examination.
When you can go back and you look through all the other transfer of allegiances that have been approved through the years and in recent times, and you try and convince me that their application was better or stronger than Roger Stona's, I think that's a farce. You know, there's certain marks and boxes you have to check in order to make a transfer of allegiance, and Roger checked every single one.